Well, here we are again. Guess where? Yep, the Viney House. Not so viney anymore. Still a little bit to go. We got the cleaning people coming next week, so I told everybody today they got to get the heck out of here. Finished up. Do what you're going to do. Get the debris gone. Get the cleaning ladies in here, and they will whip it into shape, and it'll look really good. So just a few things left. Let's go on a little tour of the outside and then the inside and see what we've got. All right, so here's the neighborhood again. Everything's really green now. Azalea Festival was a couple weeks ago when we were looking at all the blooming azaleas. I think we might take some of these limbs down so you can see the house a little better, but we'll keep that tree looking good. I usually paint the front door this color, so we're experimenting a little bit. Not sure I'm satisfied with that, but we're going to put black shutters up and see how that looks. Usually I paint the inside of the door blue too. And I'll probably do the back door, whatever color we land on, and maybe the garage door. So the landscaping is mostly done. They'll probably come back and do one more round of touching up and cleaning and straightening and edging and grass cutting and blowing and mowing and all that stuff. Got the cars out of the yard. Got the yard cut down a couple times. It's growing back now as fast as we cut it. All this stuff's coming back. We'll get rid of all that again. And the windows are in. Metal is wrapped around the windows. We got to clean up the house. Get the last little bit of viney stuff off. Get the power washing done. We got some sod in over there. It was kind of washed out on that corner. Had to fix the neighbor's yard. That was fun. Where the trucks drove through it. There's a little piece of siding up there we got to fix. Another piece on the other side of that bay window. Nothing too exciting to see there. Let's go inside.